you're going to find that reality is actually as star-driven as scripted is. I didn't know that because I only started dealing in unscripted a couple of years ago, but you need an angle.
What we did, honestly, is probably about 75% of the crew was taken from out of state.
A token fee, $100 to score your 10-minute short of 7 minutes of music. Your composer's going to be putting a lot of energy into it.
Putting this light in their face, you're doing it wrong. Get out of the way of the story.
Thanks,
Let
Christian
the story
Bale.
happen. Oh, Christian Bale, yes, this is well.